Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Fluent Odisha. I hope that you are doing well. We are also doing. I'm so happy to get you here. So today I am going to compete with us. He's going to compete with me as fast as we can. So today we are going to speak like as fast as the train goes by the way. So she is going to speak whatever comes in your mind. I'm going to speak, and you have to tell that who speaks more faster. Who's even I don't know what I'm speaking. Even I don't know. Even I am making errors or not in my speaking. So let's see who is going to speak more faster. So guys, you know that I upload here videos on the regular basis, and so many videos I have uploaded already, and those are all like what is called that enjoyable and interesting and so knowledgeable. You can watch those videos and you can analyze your English now. Now it's your turn.
Everyone, my name is Ankita Sahu. Welcome to Fluent Odisha, and in Fluent Odisha you can see more videos, and you cannot find any Odia language. You can find only English language, and here you can see only village. You cannot see any town people because here is entry only village people. Here do not nobody entry.
Yes, here only we welcome to village people who are suffering from and who are struggling to enhance their English. We welcome you guys. If you are from village and if you want to enhance your English, then this channel is for you and this institution for you. Very soon we are going to establish an institution where you can come here and you can get chance to speak English. This girl is really true, and this girl is really right that if you are from village and if you want to speak English, then this channel is for you. This channel is just created for you. We have across 4,000 subscribers, and I hope that you are also among them. So do subscribe if you are new here, and give the like button and just leave one single comment. Whatever just you want to speak line. You.
Okay. Fine.
Speak anything because you want to speak more faster.
Anything. If what we are doing mistake, then you comment. You do comment in comment box. And
guys, I hope that you like these videos because you know the way we are speaking. Even we don't know like before this we have never been speaking in some ways for the first time, because I don't know these girls started speaking, so I thought like yeah, let's see even I can speak faster or not, because even I have not spoken as fast as I'm speaking today. So I hope that I'm speaking well, and if there is any mistake of my speaking, then please forgive me, because you might be thinking that this teacher is teaching here to students, and this boy and this teacher is making mistake. Of course guys, if someone speaks faster, then of course that person makes mistake, because we don't belong to that native country who speaks and whose language is this English language as the native. So I'm so sorry. So I don't know why this guy is laughing. So now again, okay. Now I will let you welcome to one more boy who wants to speak, but he takes more pauses. So let's see. Now let me welcome to Mr. Shubham sir. Please come here. Come here. Your father will also watch this video. Just come here. We don't have much time. 1, 2, 3. Otherwise you will lose. Just come here. Okay.
what I am telling.
What you I don't know. Just you have to speak as fast as train goes. Start. What we are speaking, even we have not thought about it. Just we are speaking continuously. Just you start.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Niranjan Saga. I am studying in class 5. I am from Tillagad village, and you think that we do not from village, but you think about me. You do not a good way, because you don't comb your hair, and but I comb my hair in my hand like that. And
yeah, there are few girls who always tease him like you are not combing your hair and you look like a monkey, and I don't know what's wrong with that girl. She's only just showing Hirabeda. I don't know what about that, because I'm not bottom watching reels. Just she's showing that action, and this boy is claiming that he combs his hair every day, and those two girls are jealous on his hair. That's it. He looks like a monkey. So do you look like a monkey, or they feel jealous?
I am not like a monkey.
Then who are you, giraffe?
No, I am not a giraffe. I am a bear.
because they are teasing you like calling Hiravete.
No.
So wants to speak more faster? Wants to speak more faster, because there is no any institution who are speaking more faster than us. Here we are speaking. We have to claim. We have to take this institution ahead. That this is institution. This is Fluent Odisha. Whoever come here can speak English. Do you believe this?
Yes, I am believe this.
You believe this? Can anybody speak English as fast as we can by coming to this institution?
No.
No.
Yes.
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 Okay, so guys, did you hear what we said? If you want to speak your English and if you want to speak as fast as you can, then you have to come here.
If you want to speak, then you come here and speak very fast and
Very fluently.
very fluently, and you learn English very much.
Because you know guys, there are so many issues, there are so many videos, but here just we want to speak like how fast we can, because you know that is the kind of enjoyment that we are just having now by speaking fast. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if there is any mistake, I'm so sorry guys, please forgive me by speaking fast and by competing with students. Just I did it, so if there is any mistake, I know that there are so many mistakes of mine, there are so many errors, but please forgive me. So I'm so sorry for